Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this heated jacket from King's Trek. So stick around. Heated jackets have come a long ways, and one of the things that stands out with this jacket from King's Trek is its 4-layer design construction. The outer layer is made of a Sherpa fleece, making this jacket have a very soft, comfortable feel to it. The next layer features a waterproof membrane, making it waterproof and snowproof. The next layer is where you're going to find the heating panels. And finally, the inner shell is constructed of a velvet lining. King's Trek heated jackets are equipped with 3 ultra-thin carbon fiber heating elements, 2 on your chest and 1 located on the back, which efficiently warms your core. This jacket features 3 adjustable heat settings, a low, medium, and high, and can be heated up to 10 hours with the supplied 10,000 milliamp battery. Nice feature with this battery is it features an LED display on the front showing you how much battery life is left with the simple press of a button. It can be charged with a mode C or micro USB. The battery features 2 USB ports, which are great for when you want to charge your cell phones, cameras, laptops, or other devices that you need to charge. And the compact and lightweight design of this battery makes it a great feature as well. The battery fits nicely on an inside pocket, so it's out of the way. Connect the USB wire to it, slide it back in your pocket, zipper it up, and you don't even know that the battery's there, unlike some of the other jackets on the market today that use a large, bulky battery that sits on your back. To activate this jacket, you simply press and hold for 3 seconds. The red is high, white is medium, and the blue is low. With this jacket set on low, you can expect a temperature of 100 degrees and approximately 10 hours of heating. On medium, you can expect 5.5 hours at 115 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally on high, you can expect about 3 hours of battery time at a roughly 130 degrees Fahrenheit, which actually gets very warm inside. I typically like to run mine on medium, and if it's not real cold out, like those late fall or early spring days, you can run it on low and get your maximum amount of battery run time. One of the other nice benefits about this jacket is the waterproof layer that's built inside, just behind the fleece Sherpa lining. It'll protect your heating elements from getting damaged from any rain or moisture, as well as yourself from getting wet on those rainy or snowy days. It also makes this jacket windproof, which you know is one of the most important factors in staying warm when you're outside on those windy days. This jacket features 4 outer pockets and 1 inner pocket. The inner pocket is where your battery will be stored. You have 2 large pockets for your hands, a nice chest pocket. You can store your phone or other items. And finally, there's 1 side pocket, which actually can almost fit your whole hand inside. It's rather large for being on the side of the arm. The jacket features an anti-wear material on your forearms for added longevity. And the jacket includes a removable hood, which is really nice, with some drawstrings on the side. I like the fact that this hood can be removed. On those warmer days when a hood's not necessary, it's nice to be able to take it off. The hood is also waterproof, so when it is raining out or snowing out, you can just pull your hood up, keep your head protected from the elements. So today the temperatures are 23 degrees Fahrenheit outside. I've been running the jacket on medium and once in a while on high. With it on medium, I was really comfortable. It felt really nice. There's a little bit of a breeze out here. When I did place the jacket on the high, it did get a little bit warm, which is okay with me for those days when you're chilled and you want to warm up quick. I do want to mention that this jacket shown here today is in a size medium. I am 5'11" with an average build, and the jacket fits true. These jackets do come in 3 different colors as well. If you guys are interested in checking out this jacket from King's Trek, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a like. It's the best way to help support this channel. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.